Angelina from Shape. Today, we'll be reviewing our choices for the top 3 solar CRMs going into 2024. The solar industry's exponential growth brings forth unique challenges in managing customer relationships, installations, and post-sale services. Far from generic tools, specialized CRMs serve as essential solutions tailored for the solar industry's specific demands. They often play a pivotal role in generating compelling, tailored project proposals, managing complex installation schedules, crafting marketing campaigns, and more. First, we have Shape. There's a good reason our software is a frontrunner in the solar CRM arena. This is in no small part thanks to its revolutionary AI-driven lead scoring system, designed to analyze and prioritize leads based on urgency and interest, crucial for solar businesses looking to maximize ROI. What's more, Shape's range of marketing automation tools, including perfectly timed emails and project updates, are tailor-made to enhance relationships with solar clients. Shape also automates follow-ups, a critical element in solar sales, where multiple touch points are often needed to secure a deal. This automation ensures that every lead receives consistent, well-timed communication, increasing the chances of a sale. Our platform revolutionizes the intake process for solar companies. With features like e-signature capabilities and automated status updates, the onboarding of new solar projects becomes faster and more efficient, turning weeks of manual processing into hours. A responsive and user-friendly mobile app is also an invaluable asset for solar teams in the field, ensuring seamless project management and client interaction. This and more makes Shape an ideal choice for solar companies that want to streamline operations and grow. Next up is Spoo, renowned for its field-friendly mobile apps, sales route planning software, and innovative geo-based sales rep tracking. Spoo shines in data capture and sales team activity monitoring, ensuring robust management of solar leads and sales pipelines. Spoo's lead generation capabilities are impressive, using over 200 data points to segment potential customers. This ensures that your sales team can focus on qualified leads, saving you time and effort. For example, individuals with better financial stability scores or those showing interest in sustainable options are likely to be more receptive to solar energy solutions. In this case, the system can help identify and target homes that closely align with this profile, using filters such as income levels, credit scores, eco-friendly preferences, and even previous engagement with solar energy initiatives. However, it faces some challenges like glitches in its map feature and the mobile app's offline limitations, and the solar lead management filters can be complicated to use. Despite these challenges, its strengths in versatile integrations, including Enerflow and Salesforce, make it a formidable tool for outdoor solar sales teams. Our third CRM is Zoho, a highly customizable platform ideal for solar teams with complex operations. Its features span Salesforce automation, lead and contact management, workflow automation, and AI-powered sales forecasting. Though it lacks native integration with solar-specific software, its adaptability allows customization to fit the unique requirements of the solar industry. The strength of Zoho CRM lies in its advanced analytics and reporting tools, providing valuable insights into sales trends and marketing campaign effectiveness. However, the initial learning curve and the absence of pre-built workflows for the solar industry are notable drawbacks. Despite these, Zoho CRM's ability to tailor its system to meet evolving business needs makes it a comprehensive solution for solar companies looking to enhance customer interactions, improve lead conversion rates, and boost overall customer satisfaction. To sum up, each of these CRMs offers distinct advantages for different facets of the solar industry. Shape CRM excels with its AI integration and comprehensive marketing suite. Spoo is outstanding in field sales management, And Zoho CRM provides extensive customization and robust analytics. Depending on your specific needs, one of these platforms will be the key to managing your customer relationships and projects more effectively in the solar sector. Like and subscribe for more updates on business software solutions, and don't forget to check out our full breakdown, link in the description. This is Angelina from Shape, signing out.